Hello, boys and girls of Buena Vista Elementary and all you first graders out there. This is Miss Cisco and Miss Graham as well. We are going to teach you a math lesson today. First of all, we want to give you a shout out for all the fantastic work you have been doing this week. Thank you, King. Thank you, Isaiah, for sending us pictures of your work. It is awesome, and we are so proud of all the hard work you're doing.
And thank you, Victoria, Lovely, and Keon for your amazing work as well.
Remember, boys and girls, if you want a shout out, send your teachers your work. All right, our learning goal for today's lesson is I can find, name, and describe the attributes of different three-dimensional shapes.
So let's warm up our brains. All right, so which one is a triangle? Take a look at the four options below and figure out which one the triangle is. Any ideas?
Miss Graham, I think it's this one because I know a triangle has three sides.
Yes, great job. Now, which one is a circle? Remember, a circle is very different from the rest of our shape. Which one is the circle?
Miss Graham, is it this one? The round one?
Yes. So remember, a circle has no sides. Great job. Which one is a square? Pay close attention to this one. Might be tricky.
Ooh, I'm looking at both of these, but I'm going to say it's this one because I know a square has four sides and they're all the same or equal length.
Yes, so the piece of paper does have four sides, but they are not all the same length. So you would be correct. The green one is our square. Great job. And our last one, which one is a rectangle? Pay attention to this one.
Ooh, I see two shapes with I see two shapes with four sides, but I think this one's the rectangle because, like you said, all the sides are not equal length. Two sides are longer than the other.
Yes, so a rectangle has two sets of equal sides. So the top and the bottom are the same length, and the sides are both the same length. Awesome job.
All right, boys and girls, let's go ahead and play another game. This picture in pink is a trapezoid. It's a type of shape. Now, I want you to look at it and count up how many sides does it have. These are its sides.
I see four sides.
Four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think you're right. How many corners does this shape have? Remember, these are
four corners.
4 corners. Let's see. Perfect. All right, here's a triangle. How many sides does a triangle have?
A triangle has 3 sides.
1, 2, 3. Perfect. How many corners does it have?
It also has 3 corners.
1, 2, 3. All right, this is a parallelogram. A parallelogram has 4 sides as well. Oh, I think a parallelogram has 4 sides. Let's see. What do you think, Miss Graham?
I think you're right. It has 4 sides.
1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners?
I think it has 4 corners as well.
4 corners. Correct. All right, this diamond shape is actually called a rhombus. How many sides does this rhombus have?
I see 4 sides.
1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners?
It looks like there are 4 corners.
4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. All right.
All right, so now what we would like for you to do is we'd like for you to go off of this video and go to the description box and click on that link, and it will take you to a video about shapes that we would like for you to watch.
All right, boys and girls, after you watch the video, you're gonna know what rectangular prisms are. So we want you to look for 2 rectangular prisms around your house. The video says to look around your classroom, but since we're not there, we want you to look around your house. So for example, if you look at these pictures, Miss Cisco, I found a cereal box and a book. They are both rectangular prisms.
All right, and don't forget to show off your work. Send us a picture. You can email it, you can text it, any way you want. And we also want you to answer some questions. We want you to answer, how many faces does your object have? What shape do the sides make? Does it roll or does it slide? Can you stack it? We want you to either make a video of yourself showing and describing the prisms to send to your teacher, or you can show and describe them to your family members. If you write out your answers and send us a picture, we will give you a special shout out in one of our videos.
All right, boys and girls, so after watching this video and the one that we have linked in the description box, we hope and we know you can say by the end of this lesson, I can find, name, and describe the attributes of different 3-dimensional shapes.
And on Tuesday, we'd like for you to come back and find this slide and complete the quiz at the link in the description box. You can ask a family member for help reading the problem if you get stuck. And we want you to keep looking for those 3D shapes that you can show and describe to your family or to us.
All right, boys and girls, remember, we are always available, Miss Graham and I, so call us if you need help with any of the work this week. All right, thank you, and please come back for another video on Wednesday.